I asked God, why do I feel unheard when my world is so loud with pain? He answered, because true strength isn't in shouting back. It's in the silence where you find my voice, enduring the noise until it fades. I asked, why do you let me bend until I feel I might break? He replied, because the strongest trees learn to bend in the wind, not resist it. Your flexibility is your fortitude. I will never let you snap. I asked God again. He answered, because the deepest roots grow in the dark, unseen. Your quiet survival is your greatest victory, building a foundation no storm can shake. Trust me, your silent strength is a testament to my power within you. If you believe this message was meant for you, comment, I am strong. God bless you. Share this message with someone who needs to be reminded of their quiet power.